Good day, everybody. It is a rainy day in the Philippines today. You can see we have got some more progress made, and I'm not sure how many dots are showing up on this camera, but we getting our downspouts and gutters in. So we're going to have 3 of them there. We're going to have one here and then one on the other side where the carport is. I want to show you the this other side too. It looks cool. Ooh, found that in the street. That'll not be a happy tire if it found that before I did. Anyway, here's the this side. It looks good, huh? Don't you think? You can see some of our trim, color, charcoal. Soffits are going in. They look nice. Front of the house. Okay, let's go inside, see what's happening there. So inside now, we're getting most of our ceilings done. Oh yeah, look at that. So voila, looking good. Pantry. Oh, there's a nice crack there, huh? Well, they when they see a crack, they dig it out and then fill it. Maybe we'll get all the cracks. But this is our pantry. Here's the maid's room. Still got a ceiling to do in here. Well, have you seen the bathroom for the maid and the driver? This would be the driver's room. They're basically the same. This is the washer and dryer. Well, no dryer, the washer here. I was actually kind of interested to see how this held up to the rain, because we are doing a washing machine out here outside, which is not ideal, but kind of got committed to that. Let's just see, all this dripping is coming from there. I'm gonna have to figure out if we can put some kind of a gutter here so this doesn't drip down so much. Yeah, you see, that's really not good. We'll have to talk a little bit about that, see if we can come up with a better solution. Okay, into the master. We've decided we're going to put a half wall here. We're going to put a half wall here. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's a vent fan. I don't recall buying those. I don't think I did. I think that's just a fan to keep the air moving around in here. Oh, these crazy corners. Not sure if they're doing something about that or what. Not sure how well that's showing up. I'm using my secondary phone right now. That one looks okay. Picture framing, they call it. It's in the closet, nobody cares about that. essentially none here. Well, okay, I'm not going to bother going up there because it's rainy. So that's all I got for today. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye. Well, my wife drugged me upstairs to the roof deck, and it's a good thing she did because look at this. We see some of the cloud already on this roof deck. So we're going to do this soffit, this roof overhang here in a cladding. That's going to look really cool from the street. And in case you haven't seen our solar panels, it's open all along. So we're gonna close that off with some extra material so birds and other creatures don't crawl underneath that and find it a hospitable home environment. And then here's a shot of our gutters too. So well, okay, that's all I got for now, for real this time. Thanks for joining us. Bye.